Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Bonsai, Ryan here. In today's video, we're just going to be putting a bit of wire onto this privet just to put the branches into place. It's nowhere going to be a finished bonsai, it's just to add a bit branch placement, because as the way it is, the branches are starting to get too thick, so we need to just give a rough shape to it so they're set. So if you stay tuned, we'll get into the video. I first collected this privet about 3.5 years ago. I just let it grow for a year. Then I've done some initial carving to the tree just to get rid of the big stumps, which I'll put some pictures up and show you. Yesterday I carved a big stump, what was coming up through the middle, so it opens it up so you can see through the tree. So that's just a little bit initial carving on that stump, which I've done. I've already wired these two branches into rough place. I wasn't going to do a video on it, I was just going to put the branch placement on it and have a bit play, because it's Bank Holiday Monday and I'm having a few cans. So as I'm going, I'll just time lapse the video while I'm wiring. Then when I come to put a little bit branch placement into it, I'll probably stop the video. But I keep ducking because it's massive. It'll be a short video, I'll not be talking much. Like I say, I'm having a couple of cans of Guinness because it's Bank Holiday. But let's get into it. I'm going to wire every single branch, by most of them, and we'll just have a look where we go from there. So, time to put the telly on and away I go. That's just a little bit styling on this privet. I know it doesn't look much at the minute. It was just a bit branch placement. Like I see, as I've added a few here now. I've done the first block carbon. I've just put the branches roughly where I want them, because they're getting too thick to bend. I lost a canny chunk on the top there. Tried to bend it and snapped off. We'll just see how it progresses through the years. And if I do decide to make that the front, I only need to move a few branches. And this one here, creates a new apex. This one here, which shouldn't be hard work, but I'll see how it grows and we'll find out. That's why I've got my glasses on, because I couldn't see. Well, that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't, please subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next one. Take care, guys. Ta-da.